Because our students cannot access all YouTube videos, it's important to know how to check and see if they are unblocked for students or if you need to request an unblock for an educationally appropriate video. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to this website, archive.lightspeedsystems.com, and then I'm going to suggest you go ahead and bookmark this since you'll probably use it frequently. You can just drag the little lines to the left of the address down to your bookmarks bar, and then if you want, you can right click on that name and edit it and maybe call it YouTube Check or YouTube Unblock or whatever makes sense to you. Now, once you're on this Lightspeed Systems archive page, what you're going to need to do is get the link for the video you want to check. You can do that from the YouTube video either by clicking the share button right underneath the video and copying that link. You can also get it by clicking in the address bar and copying the link for the video from there. Either one will work. Back on the database lookup page, you paste that address into the search bar and click search. Now for this video, it says, looks like we missed this one. Please submit for review and we'll get it categorized. It then talks about allowing immediate access, but that's actually only something our district admin on the network can do. So I'm going to scroll down here and click on Submit for Review. It already fills in the title and website. Go ahead and put in your district email address. And then in reason for review, I've gotten in the habit of just typing this phrase. The phrase I use is, please categorize as education.videos so my students can view the video. The reason I do this is because I know that education.videos is a category available for our students to view. So notice here, it does say please allow up to 48 hours. So you don't want to wait till the last minute to do this. So click confirm and you get this little message, success, domain submitted for review. And then you will just wait for an email to come within the next 48 hours. Once your video has been reviewed by the folks at Lightspeed, you'll receive an email from Content Review Admin, and the subject will be Lightspeed Systems Category Review Receipt. You'll notice that on this one, it tells me I submitted it at 10:47 a.m. and I received the review at 4:40 p.m. So I've had some of them go faster than that, but some take longer. It just depends on how busy they are because they have a human being looking at these requests. So again, that's just to reiterate, you want to request these as far in advance as possible. So in this case, it lets me know that this video was reviewed. It reminds me what I wrote, and then it tells me the category is now education.videos. It's exactly what I needed. Sometimes it will say education.science, or it might say education.history. As long as it's got education in there, you're good to go. Your video has been unblocked. One other thing, if they happen to not approve the video, you can then take the video address and put in a service desk request. We can take another look at it and see if we disagree with them and get it unblocked for you. If you want to go ahead and check another video, you can go ahead and go grab its address. Come back to your Lightspeed page, and then you can just click this X to clear the search bar, put in your new address and click search. Now this one came back with some results. It says that it's already categorized as education.videos. So you don't have to do any sort of submission for review. This one is good to go. You could put that straight into your Schoology class at secondary or at elementary, Seesaw, or Google Classroom, and your students could see it right away. If you were making an Edpuzzle, you could also use it right away. One other thing I will note is that if you find yourself getting videos from a particular YouTube channel frequently, you can go ahead and ask for the whole channel to be unblocked. So the channel is usually listed on YouTube right under the name of the video. On this one, we have the channel is called John Spencer. So if I click the channel name, I can then copy its address from the address bar, bring it over to Lightspeed and search it. And it shows that this whole channel is actually already listed as education.videos. So you don't have to request that one again either. In the case of this channel, it is not. So you would go through the same process of submitting it for review. Now, when you submit a channel, do make sure that all of the videos are educationally appropriate for students. I hope this has been helpful, showing you how to check for and request unblocked YouTube videos.